yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just having my cereal from just the top of Switzerland. Can it get any better than this?
Grape has another name in France. But in Switzerland,
How do you pronounce the name? Shem. Oh, Hute. Ah, Hute. Ah, so Kemi Hute. Ah. She said it's Kemi Hute. Kemi Hute. We here. We outie. Kemi. Can you see the title? Kemi. It's backwards, but Kemi. Perplexing owl. There she is. We're just walking around because we can. We're in a Christmas market. Do you feel the Christmas? That's in literally 2 days? Oh god. That looks so cool. Fire! Wow. Where are we? Ooh, door. They are? I could have sworn that was another person, but it's just you. Oh, we're here. Ah.
Really easy.
Oh, I don't want to kick your bag. Wow. Look at the tree. That's amazing. Would you like to meet the one and only Da Vinci? That's so good.
That's the same one you gave us as presents with?
So much chocolate. Look at these. This is too cute. Finn. Wait, hold on. Are there other names? Cute little heart with what in it?
Looks like his
Hazel, yeah. Hazelnuss. Hazelnuss. Whoa. Chocolate. Don't get me tempted. Chocolate. I got chocolate.
I don't want to go too short right underneath here because you can't afford to have it.
I got a personal haircut. Oh my god, my eyes are so red. I wasn't doing anything, I swear.
Shake his heel.
Hello, everyone. So, as you can see outside, it is like 5 in the afternoon. I haven't filmed all morning because it's special today. Did I say it? It's the 24th. Merry Christmas Eve in America. However, here, I don't know if it's like nationwide or if it's just in this house, they celebrate it on the 24th, which is why I'm dressed like this. We are preparing our Christmas dinner right now. It helped a little bit, set the table, you know, boo boo boo. My aunt's inviting some friends over and we'll feast. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can because obviously I don't want to invade anybody's like space. But I'm gonna show you what we did and how elegant and gentleman-y I'm trying to be. Yeah, it's not happening. I'm gonna ruin everything.
Like you're drinking out of it like it's a bowl. So try the oyster. Just like a bowl, like soup. Did you get it? Yeah. You like it? Yeah.
We have to work on our second dish. Our second course. What is our second course?
We are having
Snapper.
With cream leeks
Cream leeks.
and roasted paprika.
Ah. Which I
Did not
100% helped
contribute
with.
to-
No. Last I checked, I think
Yeah.
I already explained to them what I was doing.
So look, they're making
Before you did it?
caviar.
No, like what the process of the making were.
Justin, I'll allow you to say hi, but once.
This is the caviar.
Look at the camera.
Lie on video. This could be.
No, that's not. I'm not
Be
lying.
held up in court.
I no. We don't need to get the courts involved. Fresh from Switzerland. Swiss rice. I want my finger in the way.
Communicate with each other. He's doing something, she complimentary.
We find
That's why we are not
Hi, you work well together though.
Thank you.
Especially with good representative countries and
It looks a little purple. Why is everything that's blue always called? Why is everything that's purple always called blue?
Yes, para mí, hola. Para mí, yeah,
I'm very full. You gotta raise it up. Nope. Pepe Le Pew.
No, not Pepe Le Pew.
I know, but I'm not telling you what it was.
What was it? The Charlie Brown.
not scoop, but
Something the pad. The pad. Something pad.
Van something.
Von Pad.
Leonas.
Linus. Linus the Pat. Von
very
Pat.
hard
To remember?
get in your brain.
Linus Van Pelt.
Pelt, not pet.
Linus Van Pelt.
Von Pelt.
You have
That's
to
my
go
name now?
full. We're going full German on this. This is Linus von Pelt.
Von Pelt. Gotcha.
Pelt.
Gotcha. That is forever my name now. I will change my birth certificate.
Linus von Pelt.
I'm gonna end up having like 14 names.
Bodhi.
Bodhi, Linus von Pelt, Justin John Visasa. No, just those? Just those? Oh, just.
Sie hat ein Geschenk gestohlen.
We can start?
Oh, you have two presents?
I got one from them.
We got presents from him.
I can't undo my loop.
Huh?
I can't undo my loop.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
thank you. Is your, I love that. You have a,
Wow.
I don't think so. No, this. I'll show you. Whoa. Yeah, absolutely.
So many secrets.
We, considering we don't know each other, it's not too many secrets. Oh
Ah.
my god.
Oh my god.
Good.
It's like a
Wanna get
Oh, thank you so much. Put it on. Oh, yum. Put it on.
I didn't notice it was like a dark blue.
It is?
It is.
Is it?
I didn't notice that.
I got blind. Oh, I see it. I see it.
That is so cool. Hold on, no. I gotta remember how to put them on.
Flex on that.
While I'm wearing all red and black.
No pressure. You're not
You want
staring
red
at
and
you.
I'm working on it.
It's a Swiss,
Swiss Air. Swiss Air.
Nice.
Let me finish buckling. Hold on.
Flash it.
Flash
Look at her.
Flash her.
Look at her.
Take your plastic.
Yeah, hold on. The peely. Wow.
Fling it,
Blue and
fling
gold.
it, fling it. Be like, guys, you need me to go over there.
Is the lighting better over here? You wanna see what time it is? It's that time. I don't even know what that means, but it's that time. Oh, look at the what? Time for dessert. My phone is dying. Time for dessert. Thank you.
Smells delicious.
Thank you.
I can smell the chocolate.
What is a poached pear? How do you poach a pear?
So you
They're
peel
liquid.
it. Yeah, we peel it and then we simmer it in. I simmered it in cranberry sauce with star anise and cinnamon.
Oh.
So if you poach
could-
something,
yeah.
you literally cook it in a liquid.
Yeah, like
Oh.
poaching an egg. Like you poach an egg.
I've heard it, but I've never seen anyone do it.
It will probably like here. Okay.
Wow.
Right.
Wow. What's that? 6 courses down?
Is it just 6? It's felt like 12. welcome to European. If you want to go, this is what it is.
All these glasses, plates, garbage is down there. We had a good time. It was fun. I look. Ew. So today's Christmas.
Pajamas and
It is 6:53 in the morning. It's almost 7 o'clock. We're gonna build a snowman. We're gonna build a snowman. Just like this. Hold on. Gotta catch the fit. Hold on. Yep. There we go. Here's my boots. We outie. We are outside. Are you happy? This ice, it's ice, it's ice.
Should we build a snowman?
Right here?
Next to the 136A
You wanna venture? Let's venture. We have nothing to lose. Except everything. Moon. Star. Light. Yay. Oh my god. No, this is not a church. This isn't a church.
Hello.
Watch that be like
Good
every single cop
morning.
in the city. Okay, you rest down your supplies, and if you're thinking of making a really tiny snowman, yeah, that's enough.
That looks like a good first layer, no?
That is a really good first layer. Yeah, okay. Where's your pine cone? Oh, I mean your pine tree.
Because all I have is a mole.
I'm contributing like.
And my entire pants is wet.
Okay, look. There's your second layer.
Oh,
You have layer number 2. Can you see any of that?
no, you have to mold it, dude.
Oh yeah. We
Which I made it sexy, a base layer.
Ah, okay. Okay, so let me take this off.
That's sexy, that's pretty, base layer.
This is gonna be the second. Oh,
Starting your foundation, does that count? Oh, my ass is cold.
I wonder why.
What are you doing?
I'm making the second layer.
I just
Is that the second layer?
started your second layer.
No, that is not the second layer. Okay.
What is that?
Our second layer.
No, it's not okay. Justin,
What?
can we make something a little better than this, please? I do have pride in Switzerland. Come on, man.
I'm working on it, okay? Hello.
What is she doing? Look, I have a body,
Okay.
Justin.
Do you want a head?
Yeah, it would be nice.
Do you need a belly?
You're like a little snow creature here.
It's a Buddhist monk. I don't know what y'all have anything to say, but y'all can all go.
What did you do? No, put it back. Just stick it at the top. Come on. No, you had one job. No, don't hurt him. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! The Muffin